Installing and setting up your Snapchat account. I'm pretty sure you already know how to install an app on your device, but I will walk you through the step-by-step process really quick anyway. Snapchat is available for both Apple devices and Android devices. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. I'm pretty sure the first result will be the right one. You just need to click on it and then click on Install. Snapchat needs access to perform several functions inside your device. You should accept it. The downloading speed of the app will depend on your internet speed. Once installed, you'll be able to open the app. Before I continue with the account setup, I would like to advise you that your Snapchat account setup might be different from the one I'm explaining to you here. I have been able to install and create a Snapchat account several times, and I've come up with 2 different account creation processes. Let's continue. You'll see 2 options. You can either log in or sign up for a new account. You'll then be able to add your first name and last name. Something awesome you should know is that you'll be able to add and customize your name, which will appear to Snapchatters you add. Most of the time, usernames are unique and strange, which are hard to remember. Adding your name on Snapchat is an awesome way to help friends recognize you or your business when you add them. This is a feature that can let you also add a name related to your business. You then will tap on Sign Up. Notice that by tapping Sign Up, you agree to the terms and privacy policy. You'll be asked to add your birthday as well. Because this is personal information, you can just add your date of birth. Tap on Continue. You'll then be able to pick a username. Snapchat will try to add a random username by using your first and last name. Your username is your unique identity on Snapchat, so you have to be really careful on the username you decide to use because, for security reasons, it is currently not possible to change it after you set it up. You'll have to delete your account and create a new one with a different username if you wish to use a different username for your account. Once you have found the right username, tap on Continue. You'll then be asked to add a password and tap on Continue. You then will be asked to add your mobile number, or you can sign up with email. If you decide email, then you'll add your email, which should be a valid one because your email address will be used to identify you. For personal use, you can use your regular email address. But if you plan to use this Snapchat account for business purposes, you can simply use your company's email address. Then tap on Continue. You'll then be asked to prove you aren't a robot, and tap on Continue. You'll then be able to add friends. You can do so by tapping on Continue. Snapchat would like to access your contacts. The contacts in your address book will be collected by Snapchat. If you agree, tap OK. If not, tap Don't Allow. You'll then see a list of your contacts that already have a Snapchat account. You just need to tap plus to add them. And tap on Continue. Finally, you'll be redirected to the camera screen, and that's how you set up your account in just a few minutes. Remember, your process might look similar. Just follow every single thing they ask you to do, and you are good to go.